The world of manufacturing is transforming rapidly. From a world of silos to one of collaboration across disciplines. From a physical world to one built with connected data, virtual reality, and digital twins. From a world of lumbering assembly lines to one of agile, smart factories. This is a world that requires new ways of planning, new ways of building, new ways of operating. With automated workflows that break down barriers, streamlined processes that do more with less, data-driven methodologies that deliver agility and flexibility without sacrificing quality or safety, modern operational approaches that achieve unprecedented efficiency. And even though the people and the processes, the tools and the technology are all constantly changing, you remain confident because you believe that together, good engineering and the right technology can solve any problem. At Autodesk, so do we.